In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to your Kajabi account. This is a straightforward process that will help you keep your contact list up to date and organized, ensuring you're always ready to engage with your audience effectively. To begin, you'll need to log into your Kajabi account. Head over to the Kajabi login page and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, take a look at the interface and direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Contacts dashboard where you'll manage all your interactions and connections. Now that you're in the Contacts area, let's add a new contact. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a button that says Plus Add Contact. Click this button and it will prompt a form to pop up. This is where you'll be entering the details for the contact you wish to add. When the form appears, you'll need to fill out several fields. Although some of these fields are optional, it's always good practice to fill them out for a more personalized engagement. Start by entering the contact's first name. While not mandatory, adding a first name can make future communications more personal. Next, fill in the last name, which is also optional. But again, it can help in differentiating between contacts with similar first names. Now, move on to the email field. This is the only required field in this form. An email address is essential as it serves as the primary method of communicating with your contact. After that, you can include additional information like their phone number, which is optional but can be beneficial for sending SMS updates or making direct calls. Lastly, there is an option to enter an address. This too is optional, but it could be useful if you ever need to send physical items or correspondences. Once you've filled in all the relevant information, it's time to save your new contact. Double check the information for accuracy, and then look for the Save button in the form. Giving it a click will finalize the process, and you'll see that the newly added contact has now been successfully incorporated into your Kajabi contacts list. Congratulations, you now know how to manually add a contact to your Kajabi account. Keeping your contact list organized is immensely important for effective communication and management within your Kajabi platform. So, make sure to frequently update your contacts to maintain robust and meaningful connections with your audience. Thank you for following along, and happy